Well, hello again, ChoroQ bus collectors. I always try to get different castings from ChoroQ, and since the company's been doing this for 40 years, there's a lot to get. Anyways, this says Classic Skybus Tokyo and San Francisco Trolley. Tokyo view from the top, Imperial Palace Ginza Marunouchi Scenic Tours. It's essentially a tour bus to the popular places in Tokyo, I guess. ST10, so I think this is from the standard line in 2010. Alright, here's a photo of the real bus. Okay. And I managed to find photos of the real bus anywho. So, I'm sure it's a fully modern bus, but it just looks like an old San Francisco cable car. Yeah, it looks pretty good there. This is the rear view, so the rear is actually curved a bit. Alright, let's get the good old pick out and see what else we can find. So the side is really slab-sided. I mean, it's perfectly flat. It's just, this is all a tampo print, I think. I think the whole body is just clear plastic. This is very common with ChoroQs, and they paint everything else. So, I guess, is this a real company? Maybe this is a company that makes this bus. Anyways, it tells you where it's going to go. Some fenders are sticking out here. The front end, we got some grill details. And they're just air. There's no black. Maybe black could be used there. Nice tampo printing there on the left and the right. And then this doesn't match the photographs, the plate number. So I'm going to guess there's more than one of these buses running around Tokyo. Alright, some protruding lights here with some paint on them. Some printed on wiper blades. And this overhang here is sticking out quite a bit. There's a gold thing up here. Maybe it's a bell, if I had to guess. And then you have this box on the top, probably hiding the air conditioners, if there are air conditioners, or it just makes it look like a trolley car. You know, mimicking the old. And this is a first for me. I've never seen the bench seats like this. You know, all the other buses, they're facing forward. But this casting, they actually have them facing outwards, which would make sense for a tour bus. I guess that's the door. These do look like bus wheels. And then we got more branding here. Printed on taillights. And then this is all smooth, but it looks, you know, like there's air passing. They painted the gold rail, but this is actually all gold up here. Alright, another overhang in the back. Weird that there's no date of manufacture on this thing. But it said ST10. So, anyways, if you find this video, you can find out how old it is. Alright, scenic tours, a reflector. So it's pretty cool. It's really well detailed. Being such a heavy thing, it doesn't go as fast as other ChoroQs. It's the same motor and wheelbase, but this long extra overhang. So this thing has a lot of extra plastic on it compared to other ChoroQs. Let me get this turntable out and we'll compare it to a bunch of other buses. So I have a collection of scenic tour buses now. That's the Kanagawa Roop bus. This bus is from some sort of well, I guess it would be recreation of the Netherlands, but it's in Japan. I have a Kobe City Loop bus. And then this is probably the most similar one. It's, boy, I forget what it is. I guess I might have to start putting stickers on the bottom of these things because it doesn't say what it is. But it's another tourist bus from some part of Japan. Okay. I think that'll do for the ChoroQs. Just because I like these, I'm going to pull this out. This is a double-decker. of a London bus, although I think it might be a London bus in Hong Kong. And this is made by a company called QB Art. They're kind of hard to find on eBay, but that's where I got this one. Very cartoony. And the hood opens on this one. It's actually open. Alright. So, this latest bus is quite large. It's the longest of these. I feel like these two are your standard ChoroQ sizes, and this green one as well. But these two are definitely bigger than usual. This one actually, well, maybe the wheelbase is the same. No, it's actually different. It's longer. Well, anyways, let's let this guy spin out some in here. It has a lot of nice details, so I rather like it. Let's have Edna go on a tour with this thing today. So I will continue to get some more buses, as long as they're different castings, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.